Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing both devices. This saves time and avoids pairing conflicts. First, open Settings and go to Remotes and Accessories so the TV is listening for new devices. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries and that Bluetooth is enabled on the TV. If an old remote is still paired, remove it to prevent automatic reconnection. Once done, put the remote into pairing mode. This is the trigger the TV needs to detect it and proceed to the next step. Now you actively pair. Hold the remote's pairing button for several seconds until the LED flashes. This signals discoverability so the TV can list the remote among accessories. On screen, navigate to the device name and select it. The TV will attempt a secure connection. If you see a PIN prompt, enter or confirm it exactly. This step prevents accidental connections and secures the link. Make sure to keep the devices close, within a few feet, until pairing completes to avoid dropouts. Finish by testing basic navigation, home, back, and volume, so you confirm full functionality. If the remote supports firmware updates, make sure to update through the TV. Updates fix compatibility issues. If pairing fails, restart both TV and remote, clear previously paired devices, and retry the pairing sequence. This often resolves interference. As a last resort, factory reset the remote or use the TV's Remove Device option to clear ghosts. This troubleshooting keeps your setup stable and prevents future disconnects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.